Be sure to check out our friends at the Jamaica Cottage Shop in Vermont and check out one of their Airbnb listings also in Vermont.
Look at this mess here on the silver. Looks like it was in a bona fide nuclear blast. Hiroshima dinnerware. We're going to fix that using a dollar store hack that you're going to love. Hey, what's up, guys? DekeRelaxShacks.com and Odd USA, my other channel. Check that one out as well. We have tons of tiny house stuff on the way. That tiny house workshop and camp out, like a micro fest in North Carolina, which is going to be fun. So many guest speakers. Hope to see you guys down there. RelaxShacks.com for info. I just announced another workshop we're doing near Joshua Tree, which could be very intimate. We're calling it like the Mad Max-like tiny house possible camp out and build, kind of like focusing on DIY skills. But what I want to show you, enough of that, is Gorham, G-O-R-H-A-M. I wasn't familiar with them. They had a bunch of silverware there. Silver-plated stuff. Silver-plated stuff is a mixture of copper and silver. I want to say not pure silver. Some of the stuff, I got to look it up more, could potentially be pure silver. If that's the case, you've kind of hit the mini jackpot. So I took the price tag off this. I'll show you a photo where I shot a picture of it. This was $2.99, this silver bowl right here. And they had a lot of this kind of stuff. You know, when people pass away or clean out their homes, this stuff gets donated because the next in line, the heirs don't want to deal with a lot of it, don't have the time to list it. I tend to buy stuff, and here's a rule of thumb right here, that I might use for something anyway, because once in a while, I'll try to flip something or sell something, and it fails. So you might be stuck with the item. So try to pick stuff that might be useful, you might dig. This, for instance, could be the world's fanciest, like, nail, screw, and bolt holder. I don't know. I would find a use for that. Drill a hole, flip it upside down, becomes a cool, like, diner-like pendant lamp, which actually would be kind of neat. But what I want to show you on this is a little hack, and this is very simple. Get to the point, Deke. See the patina or the aging, you know, I forget what the term is right here. Maybe I'll look it up. The term escapes me. But right here, see how this is all just gucked up and awful looking? So I have a little tip when you find this kind of stuff. Dollar store tip where you can buy some dollar store toothpaste and shine it. And I just started and barely put any time in it. And look, this side already, and I haven't really polished it. You can get additionally some of those silver polishes to really make it shine. But it went from this to this in no time at all. So if you're looking for cheap decor, I mean, it is a cool tip because you're not spending a lot of money or time, and you can find stuff that's unloved, unwanted, and use it in your home decor-wise. And furthermore, if you're into the yard sale and flea market flipping type stuff, you can find some goods that are fairly valuable and sell them. This bowl, this exact one, I looked up online, and when looking nicer and in better shape, I bought it for $2.99. It goes for about $45 to $50. All right, and it has all the stamps and such. I got to clean this up on the bottom. There's a sticker, but also a stamp here. I couldn't really ascertain what the age was, but this is just something I bought not to keep, but hopefully to sell and flip to make myself some pizza or travel money. So let me show you how this works. All right, so here's my bowl. Got myself, this is just from my bathroom. It's a Sculpt Whitening Complete Crest, which I certainly need because I'm a coffee and red wine lover. So I'm going to take this, liberally just gunk the stuff, squeeze it out on this tarnished area right here. Listen to that. Nice tone. My dog's, see that? He's hiding under me now. He doesn't like that sound. We had plumbers come over today, and he was terrified because there were unusual strangers, you know, foreign people, to him at least, in the house. So he still hasn't recovered from that, poor thing. Anyway, take this. I'm going to squeeze this crud on right here. A little will go a long way. And I'm going to take this old toothbrush. This is from polishing, not from my really, you know, dirty teeth or anything like that. Take this and just start working it in. Apply a little pressure. You go too nuts, you're just going to ruin the bristles over time. You want a brush that's, you know, a toothbrush, why it works is because it's soft enough where you're not scratching up and marring and, well, ruining the surface of this. You want it to shine. You want it to look like someone took a belt sander to it. So what I find works best without stressing my arm so much is just to kind of go in circles while applying a medium amount of pressure. I can do this. I'll just show you how quick this is. So already I can see it starting to clean up. I don't want to do this all day. Sure, it's not exciting. It's not difficult. But it's not the most easy or rewarding task in the world. But instead of buying some fancy polishes, you can just take toothpaste and use that to clean things up. I haven't really done a thorough job. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab behind me Kleenex, wipe it away. You can already see the difference here. Needs a little more shining, but if you look at that, it's a world of difference from that to that right there. Toothpaste, baby. Buy the dollar store junk. I know some of it's like fake Crest, but it still works okay. You need a big old tube of it at Dollar Tree or Family Dollar. And if I get a polish on that, because see there's some residue left. See how it's shinier? Can you see that right there than other places? That's because the toothpaste leaves a little bit of a film. So you still want to take a cloth is ideal and just kind of, even a tiny bit of water. You don't want to wet this too much, but just to kind of buff that out. Because look, as I lick it, just my spit right here, sorry to show you this, really shines it up. Literally a spit shine. Now look at that finish. From that mess right here, looks like it was found in an old Spanish galleon underwater, to that, starting to look a heck of a lot nicer. So I'm going to shine this up, listen to eBay, and hopefully make some money with very little effort. And there you go, my friends. I haven't finished it. I'll do that later. This is a great thing to do when you're watching TV. It's a very mindless task. Just sit there, you know, watching the Smurfs or Breaking Bad or whatever you're into, and just start polishing some of these suckers.